So I created a custom mission in GTA San Andreas, which my brother is gonna have to complete. If he completes this mission, I will delete a couple of my YouTube videos. The rules are simple, he has 3 lives. The only problem is that my brother never plays computer games, so this might be kinda difficult and more challenging.
Hi, I'm his brother.
So the first thing you have to pass is you gotta jump all these roofs and get to the checkpoint. Before you start off, you have to pick AK-47 or an armor. Remember, you can only pick one.
I'm gonna get armor.
Okay, that's the wise choice.
Oh yeah.
Now go, start!
Oi! You are stupid, bro.
Guys, this is something I haven't told him. There are like 3 lives hidden around this map and a couple of weapons. So he might pick them up, but he also may not. Whoa, you're actually doing pretty good.
Oh my god, what is this? This is so different from Fortnite and GTA 5. 3, 2, 1, okay. No, no. Yes!
Quickly, quick. Oh, alright, he did it. He got on the last roof.
Oh yes, yes, yes. No!
Oh, he fell off a crane.
No! So now I lost my life,
So
right?
you officially lost 1 of 3 lives, which means I'm not deleting 3 of my YouTube videos, but 2.
Really?
This is 2004 GTA logic.
I think this is gonna be so hard.
Now while you're going straight forward, you have to jump onto the roof of that Jefferson motel.
I'm gonna die now. What the hell? Oh! No, God. No.
You're almost there, you're almost there. Come on, because I so do wanna delete my videos that I'm literally investing so much time in.
Finally.
Alright, congratulations. Now the ballers gang members are stronger than before. I was suggested to quickly use the stairwell to escape the roof.
Oh, red checkpoint! I see you.
Now you have to pick one of these 2 vehicles. Alright, that's actually... Now they're sending a helicopter
Oh my
after
God.
you, and you also got some company in cars and a bike. Get to the Grove Street quick as possible.
Where is Grove Street? Where is shift on this keyboard? What the hell is this? No! No!
Guys, when my brother tries to find the Grove Street, let me tell you about Dyom. Dyom, short for Design Your Own Mission, allows you to create missions in San Andreas without writing a single line of script. This mod is very simple, giving you a menu with various different options for creating your own mission. I made a few tutorials about using Dyom on this channel, and the Dyom download link will be down in the description. Alright, looks like my brother found the Grove Street. Now you have a few Grove Street gang members that are gonna help you.
No, don't shoot me! Don't shoot me!
I would suggest you to take a cover first. Go quickly!
Cover me! Oh my god! No! Reload! No.
But they're shooting you everywhere.
What
Just
the
look around
hell?
a little bit. On the left. He literally has a rocket launcher behind his back and hasn't noticed it yet. Guys, in case you haven't noticed yet, in a community tab of my channel, you can ask me questions, because in one of my next videos, I'm gonna do a Q&A. So ask me, whatever you want, and I'll be happy to answer it. Now, are you ready for the final level?
What? That's not fair! This is so hard!
So, the helicopter I mentioned you before has found you, and you gotta take him down.
Wow, what? I see the bazooka!
Oh, you found a you found a rocket launcher, finally. You could have used it before. Well, wherever.
Is he actually gonna shoot me? You ain't gonna do nothing to me now.
This actually turned out to be way easier than I thought.
I did that! You're now gonna delete 3 of your videos.
No, I'm gonna delete 2 of my videos, not 3, cause you died once.
You said you're gonna delete 3 videos!
Hey, you should be happy that you died 1 time. You could have died 3 times that I would be deleting anything.
You are pushed. This is not fair. I never play computer games. I only play PS4 games. This is hard.
Guys, I think he would have been a lot happier if I gave him about few $1,000s. But because I'm not Mr. Beast, I'm gonna delete 2 of my older videos. Alright, so he got mad. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave comments down below, and if this video gets 20 likes, I will do more videos like this.